In June's time lost, Earth on her summer wave flung, in the year's green tonic slung, on the fresh canvas among Mother's patchwork cover rung, in the companionscape among dragonflies and butterflies and pen friends young, amidst untamed hay flung, where the sun strikes and feet unslung, the restored chaos and nettles left unstung, the floodlight days hung, in wild warm days sung, the treehouse upon earth flung, in the emerald surf clung, in June's time lost. Another poem that come to me on a walk with the hounds through the wood. Lost in June, lost in grass. That was the first line that started off this poem. That come to me as I noticed how tall the grass had suddenly grown, and then composed most of it on the rest of that walk. Really, it's like a to-do list for this month of June. Please enjoy and go get lost in June.